I'm going to be making a Mandarin orange cake, or some call it a pig picking cake. This is a recipe that my mom made and was always my daughter's favorite, and she requested it at almost every birthday she had for me to make it for. You're going to need a yellow cake mix, I'm making this for my birthday, which is the 19th, and I'll be 59. I'm not ashamed to tell my age. A lot of people don't make it to be that age. I have all sisters before they were that age, so yeah. So I'm not ashamed to tell my age. Put in a package of vanilla pudding mix, 1 cup of oil, 4 eggs, then you're going to put Mandarin oranges in there, but I'm going to take out a few to garnish the top of the cake with. Okay, so I'm just going to set those aside. And then you're going to pour the rest of the oranges with the juice. This is a 10-ounce container. Into the cake mix. Then you're going to beat it until it's smooth. Now you're gonna spray 2 8-inch pans. Spray these real good. Put you some flour in the pan. And you want to flour it real good. And just take it and shake it around till all the edges and the bottom is floured. I've already sprayed and I floured the pans real good. Now what you're going to do is add half of this batter in this pan and half of it in that pan. Got them in the pans. Now to get the bubbles to come up and to get them even, shake it a little bit and down like that. Now I'm going to put it in a 350 degree oven and let it bake 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. I want to also give you a tip. If somebody is allergic to eggs in your family, you can substitute the eggs for a 12-ounce can of Sprite, 7-Up for this cake. For any cake, actually, you can substitute eggs for a lemon lime soda. It's done. I put a toothpick in there. Got a little darker on top than what I wanted it, but it baked for 35 minutes. So I'm going to let these cool off, and then we'll go to making the frosting for it. I'll let these cool completely. We're going to make the topping for it. You're going to get an 8-ounce tub of softened whipped topping. Then you're going to open 3.4-ounce vanilla pudding, the instant one. And a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple with the fruit juice, and dump it all in there. You don't have to drain it. And then you're just going to fold that all in together until it's mixed well. It's mixed good together. Bring the cake over. And then just put half of the topping on top of the middle layer, like this. Then put your second layer on top. If you want to use a 9x13 pan to do this, you can do that too. And then just put all the frosting on top of that. I always made it like this, a 2-layer cake. I'm not a cake decorator, so I'm trying to get it as neat as I can. Take a paper towel and just go around the edges. Oops. Now I've got it all frosted around the edges. That's what it looks like. I'm trying to get it where you can see it. Now what I do is I took about 8 pieces of Mandarin oranges and set aside. And you can put those on the top. Like that. And decorate it. I'm going to slice into it so you can see what it looks like on the inside. You can see what it looks like. Let me try it for you. I already know it's good. I've had this many times. But it's been a while since I've made it. Yep, really good. Now I recommend if you make it in the round cake, it depends on your oven. Test it at 30 minutes to make sure it don't get too brown on top or the bottom like this did. But it's still moist. Cover this and keep it in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve it, because it does have whipped topping, so it's going to have to be kept in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.